Hi students, please type your name. Am I audible to you all? Am I audible to you all students? Can you please type your name so that I get to know who all have attended the class? Seven more minutes, we'll start the class. Tanmay and Satya. Hi both of you, good evening. In another 7 minutes, we'll start the class. 5 more minutes, students. We'll wait if anyone joins. If not, we'll start. Okay, students, I had given you all a few questions to answer as a homework. Have you all done it? Can I just get yes or no? Those who are present, who have taken down the questions, will done this. Okay, then I'll write down the answers for this in another 5 minutes. Okay, we'll wait if everyone is joining the class. Voice is speaking. Hello, am I audible, Tanmay now? Hello, okay, just a minute, I'll just set this up. Hello, hello. Am I audible now? Please check if you're able to hear now. Hello. Is it okay now? There's some technical error. I'll just try to resolve it by today. From tomorrow onwards, you won't have that problem again. Am I audible now? Please check. Okay. Okay, students, 2 more minutes. We'll begin the class. Pranati, please check if your internet connection is strong. If there's any network issues, there'll be a problem with the voice and audio and video. Is the audio and video clear for the other students? Tanmay and Satya, is it clear for y'all? Or is it happening the same with y'all? Pranati, just do one thing. Can you please exit and again rejoin the class? Hello. Now, is there a problem still? Pranati, please try rejoining the class. Voice is breaking. Hello, hello. Is it audible now? Please let me know before the class starts because it might be a problem further. Is it okay now? Hello. Can we start? Okay. Okay, students. Earlier we had discussed regarding food, okay? I had given you all a small introduction regarding the food and everything, okay? Do you all want any of this part to be re-explained? If you all want me to re-explain, I'll do it now. We'll take 5 minutes to know what we studied earlier. Hello? Okay, Pranati, am I audible to you? Just a minute. Okay. So can we start with the class now? So previously we discussed about food, what is food and everything. Okay. So you'll want me to re-explain any of this part? Have you all understood everything? We discussed about food variety, we discussed about food materials, and we discussed about raw materials. Am I clear so far, students? Have you all understood whatever I taught you all so far? Okay, students, I had given you all a small question segments to answer. Okay, so have you all done this? So these questions are just to just to know how far you all have understood. Okay, this homework was to know how far you all have understood. Has everyone written this homework? No, Pranati hasn't written it. Okay, so those who all haven't written, please try writing down. Okay, Tanmay has finished, I guess. Good, Tanmay. Pranati, please try to follow whatever we instruct you, okay? That is how it makes you easy to understand. Okay, if you follow whatever instructions we provide you, if you follow those, it will be easy for you to understand science. So that is why we prefer this. Okay, these questions are not for your marks or something. This is for how far you have understood what I taught you all. That is why I have given these questions to you all. Okay. So tomorrow while you are studying regarding this subject or something, when you all see these questions, it will be very easy for you all to answer. And when asked in class or something, it will be easy for you all to answer. So that is why these questions are given to you all. You are absent. Okay. Okay, Pranati, do one thing. Please rewatch those who haven't watched, like those who all who weren't present in the previous class. Please rewatch the previous class video. It is in my channel itself. Okay, you all can watch there and try answering these questions, students. If you all get anything wrong, please rewatch the video again. And still you all don't understand, you all can text us personally. Sir will explain it to you all. Okay. So moving on to the next topic. So that is we discussed about food products. So plant, fruit products, everything. So if it comes, so this is like a part of plant which we even consume. So these are known as seeds of plant. Okay. So particularly why I chose this product is so most of them are they don't know like how seeds are being eaten and everything. Seeds of plant. Okay, this is just an example. These are known as sprouts. Okay, these are known as sprouts. So this is a small activity. Okay, you all can try it if you all want. So you all can see there are tiny kind of roots coming out of these seeds. Okay, so they are nothing but so these sprouts, whatever like yeah, they're called as sprouts once the tiny roots are come out of the seeds. Okay, they're known as moong dal. Okay. So what happens to them is, so they have been soaked overnight. They are soaked overnight and they convert as sprouts. Okay, this is how seeds are. I was expecting someone to ask me a question how seeds are consumed, but no one did. So I thought I'll just take this topic and explain this to you all. So how seeds of plants are consumed. Okay, they're soaked overnight, and that is how they come as sprouts. Okay, so this is all students. This is like a small activity. It will be given to you all. Your class teacher, she might ask you all to do this at home or something. Okay, okay, students. So I just want to explain this to you all about parts of plant we eat. Parts of plants we eat. Okay, I think this was not explained clearly to you all. So seeds. We eat the seeds of plant. We even eat stem. We eat roots. We eat even the leaves of plants. We eat vegetables. We eat fruits. So each and every part of a plant is useful for us. It doesn't mean that every part of every plant we eat. Okay, so it differs. We eat a few seeds from a different plant, stem of different plants, roots of different plants, and leaves of different plants. Okay, which is healthy and which is edible for humans. Okay, which is healthy and edible for humans to consume. Okay, you can take animals as an example. Okay, even they eat selective plants. They don't eat all the plants. Okay, so this happens the same with humans also. So we pick a few selective plants. No, no, please don't write this. Okay, this is just like I'm just trying to explain like in detail. Okay, okay, there are a few selective plants which we pick. There are few good plants for vegetables. There are few good plants for fruits, for stem, seeds, roots as well, and leaves. So, like we pick a few plants which are good, healthy, and edible for humans to consume. Okay, have you all understood so far, students? Any doubts regarding this? So this was just a general thing. I explained this to you all, okay? Because previously I told you all that parts of plants are eaten, and I didn't explain in detail, I guess. So that's why I thought I'll do it today. You all want me to re-explain this, student? Can we go to the next topic? Okay. Tanmay, you want me to re-explain this to you? Okay. Okay, students, we'll go to the next topic. See, there are more edible content of food available in nature. Oh, you're writing this down, Tanmay. Okay, take it. So why I particularly picked sprouts was this will be given in the school as an activity to be done. Okay, so that is why I picked sprouts. There are many examples. There are many seeds that have been eaten by humans. Even corn is also a seed. Can we go to the next topic, students? Okay, I'll wait for a minute. Who all want, they can just take it down. I think in the beginning, most of them would have known, I would have explained about global warming and everything. You can see now there is, in Bangalore where we stay, global warming is happening. In summer, we are getting rains. So that is also kind of global warming. We are feeling it as winter. Okay. So these are general topics. That is why I took a week for y'all to explain with the basics. Y'all can relate each and every example with the nature, okay, to understand it much more clearly. Okay, students, we'll go to the next topic. That is beehive. Even honey is a natural food. Okay, honey is a natural food. But where do we get honey from? We get it from beehive. We don't get it from plants, right? We get honey from beehive. So how many of them have seen beehive in real? A food that is not from plants. Okay. Everybody know like how is this honey extracted? I'll tell you all. Okay. This is not like plants. It is not from plants. Okay. But if you see in deep, it is from plants. Honey doesn't come for us like a fruit or a vegetable. Okay. It has been. You can see all the bees like how it constructs a beehive, and then from that we extract honey. No, no, please don't write it. Okay. This is just for referral explanation. I'll tell you all which one to write and which one not to write. Okay. Okay, students. So how is honey? Wait a minute. So we get honey from nectar. We get honey from nectar. So where is this nectar present? We get nectar from flowers. From flowers we get nectar, okay? So every day, like if you see early in the morning or something, like around 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, these bees they'll be surrounded near those flowers, okay? They go there, they sit on a flower, they suck nectars from flowers. Nectar from flowers. They take nectar from flowers, and from there they come back to their place where all bees have made like a hive. Okay, so you can see this image, something like this, like a house or something. So there they come and they pour honey there. So this is how honey is brought to beehive. Okay, students, any doubts regarding this? Any doubts, students? And from beehive we collect honey. You can take this down, students. Just give me a minute. I'll write it down properly. After that, you all can take this down. as you all can see. Flower is the main base for honey. Okay. From flower, nectar is extracted. Nectar is extracted by bees, and from nectar, honey is developed and stored in beehive. Okay. We humans from beehive, we collect the stored honey. Okay. So why suddenly this beehive topic arised is, so even honey is a part of food contents. Okay. So honey is not brought from plants. You can see there is sugar, salt, and everything. Okay. Now if you see sugar is extracted from sugarcane. Okay. And if you see salt is extracted from sea. So like this, even honey is a different form of food which is being extracted from beehive. So how is honey collected in the beehive? So that is what I wanted to explain it to you all. I can take this down, students. Some problem with the board. Any doubts, students, regarding this? If you'll ask me, I can help this to you all. Help in solving this to you all. Are you all done, students? So honey is also a natural food, okay, which has a different form, how it is being brought in out for us to use for food or something. So that process is being explained to you all. Okay, we'll go to the next topic, that is, what do animals eat? Okay, just write down what do animals eat, and under that you can write carnivorous, you can take a new topic, student, that is what do animals eat. Okay, and under that you'll have to write down carnivorous. Okay, so what is carnivorous? Carnivorous animals. So animals that eat other animals for food are known as carnivorous. Okay, okay, students. So now you can see there is lion, tiger, and everything. So these are the animals which eat living organisms. Okay. You can call it like, okay, they eat animals, everything. So these are known as carnivorous animals. Okay, you can see lion, tiger, and everything. These animals, whichever, like these are a few examples. There are more carnivorous animals. Okay, these animals, they eat animals for food, and even some animals like lion and tiger, they eat even humans also. So these are known as carnivorous animals. Okay, and there's another part of this topic that is herbivorous. So most of them who would be watching this Discovery and Animal Planets, they would know what is like. If I told you carnivorous and herbivorous, you all would have known. Any doubts, students, regarding carnivorous animals? Okay, now herbivorous animals that eat plants for food are known as herbivorous. Okay, I'll give you all time to take down. Okay, by then you all can just this thing. So these are the animals which eat only plants. Okay, so there are a few examples. You can see monkey, which is famous for eating bananas. So bananas are generally from plants. You can see elephants, which is famous for eating sugar canes. So they are also from plants. Okay, they're basically like vegetarians, you can tell. So these animals are herbivorous animals. Okay, they eat plants as food. Okay, students, you can take this down. Any doubts regarding this? If there's any doubts, you can ask me. If you want me to re-explain or anything, you can just ask me. Carnivorous are like non-vegetarians, and herbivorous are like vegetarians. Okay, carnivorous animals they need meat to eat, and herbivorous animals they need plant products like stem, leaves, vegetables, fruits, and all that. Okay, am I clear so far? Can we go to the next topic? I can take this turn, students. I'll wait for a minute. Okay, we'll go to the next topic. That is omnivorous. Omnivorous animals. Okay, so animals that eat both plants and animals for sorry for food are known as omnivorous animals. Okay, students. So you fruits. So basically, we humans also come under omnivorous. So we eat both plant products and animal products, right? So even we are omnivorous. Plant products. So animals that eat both plant products and animal products for food are known as omnivorous animals. If you see a bear, it eats fish and it eats all insects and everything. So the animals listed here, they eat both like veg and non-veg combined together. So that is why they are known as omnivorous animals. Okay, and we humans are also part of the omnivorous category. Okay, am I clear so far, students? Understood so far. This will be the end of chapter one. Okay, this is all for chapter one. So I'll give you all notes tomorrow, and from day after we can start with chapter two. Okay. So has everyone taken down any doubts, students, regarding chapter one? You can ask me. And tomorrow also we'll discuss about chapter one, and I'll give you all a few notes about chapter one. You can just take it down. Okay. And so soon, like we can. No, sir. Okay, no doubts. No doubts regarding chapter one. Okay. It is easy, right? Everyone is able to understand, right? Only Tanmay is active. Apart from Tanmay, no one is like replying. If you all have any doubts or any questions regarding the chapter, you all can ask me here so that I can explain it to you all. Okay, that is why like I'm asking you all to reply. Okay, students. So that's all for chapter one, and hope everyone liked my class today. And if they are interested, even they can join the classes. Okay. Did everybody like my class? Is it NP? Okay, students. Thank you. So that's all for today. Okay. I'll be creating this as a PDF and I'll be sending it to you all tomorrow. Okay. For reference to understand, you all can store this in your phone. During your test or examinations, you all can just open this and go through. Okay. From the beginning, everything. So, okay. From here till the last one, I'll send it to you all everything like as a PDF. I'll convert this as a PDF and I'll send it to you all in the phone. Okay. You all can have this. I can just go through. It will be easy for you all to understand. Okay, we'll be doing the same with every chapter. Okay, once all the chapter is done, I'll create a PDF and I'll send it to you all in WhatsApp group. You all can open and you all can scroll down. And the videos also will be available in this channel. You all can visit like whenever you all want to watch or something. It will be available. Any doubts regarding any part, you all can text us. Okay. Thank you, students. That's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow with a new chapter. Okay. Okay, students. Bye, everyone. Bye everyone. We'll meet tomorrow again. Okay.